Welcome, this video will be showing you how to develop a Telegram bot to work with your Aveva planned SCADA system's alarm to notify the user. Select the browser of your choice to log into the Telegram web application to configure our bot. In this case we are using Microsoft Edge. Once logged into our Telegram account on our browser, click the search box on the top left of the screen and search for Botfather. Make sure to select the verified one indicated by the blue badge next to it.
Continue with the full technical tutorial at ctiresources.com.my/knowledge-base.